Okay guys, forgot to record the beginning part of this, but this is oh, you got it, nice. This is the nitty gritty of turbos. So we're doing turbos, oil pan gasket, full front suspension, is in control arms, tie rod ends, front main, upgraded motor mounts and trans mounts. It's got a Wavetrac LSD already installed. We got the turbo table right here. So these are I can't remember the brand. They're stage 2. VVT, no, whatever. I can't believe I can't remember. BRSF. Sure someone will know in the comments. Here we have all the control arms, tie rods, new boots. They forgot to send me another motor mount, so I already called FCP. They're sending it. Trans mounts. Actually, I'm gonna put these in here so I don't get kicked around. Here's one of the intercooler pipes, old stuff. We got the intercooler, vacuum canisters, down pipes, coolant reservoir. There's the rack and pinion dropped, coolant lines. Doing a new oil pan gasket with new studs. We're at the turbos right now.
That's all.
Doing all the lines. I just did new O-rings on the oil feed lines.
It's got an O-ring, an extension and an O-ring.
Yeah, this is... Oh, doing a water pump thermostat too, but they're already out.
It might give it a little more wiggle room.
I'm gonna go back here. There's the Wavetrac that being put in. Oh man, this is a lot of work. I know I'm not doing anything right now, but...
Oh, yeah. So they have to come at the same time. That does go right there. That's it right there in between the two.
There's a bolt holding that top one.
Yeah, a lot of work. Here's all the bags, everything. All the oil. There's one-use stretch bolts for the oil pans. I have new ones of those. I can show you. They are. This is for the motor mounts. Trans mount. Put it over here. Oh yeah. I actually don't know what these are for. I'll figure it out. But yeah, here's exhaust studs, new gaskets, V-band clips, vacuum lines. These have the upgraded turbines. It's gonna be sick. But yeah, I'll go ahead and cut the video and show progress. Hopefully, when the video cuts this evening,
okay.
New turbos will be in.
That goes in coolant, sorry. That's a coolant.
Alright, currently putting in the new motor mounts onto the subframe before lifting it, putting the top nuts on. The driver's side can be put on with a long extension. The passenger side has to be done from under the car, which kind of sucks, but I'll mark it on away. That gum, son, don't strip it.
It's not gonna strip.
Alright. So these are the upgraded motor mounts on FCP. And also gonna do trans mounts, which are right there. You know, these look good. I want the stiffer. We have all the cars inside currently. It's about to hail. Bronco, Ranger, Camry, Ranger, F-250. I saw a progress update. Turn on my headlamp. Oh yeah, I broke this coolant line. New one is now in. New tie rod, outer tie rods, inner tie rods, new boots. Power steering pump is in. I stripped the crud. I guess I didn't strip it. I cross thread that bolt, and we just got the pan cherry red with, not cherry red, but really hot with MAP gas, and zipped it down. It's not all the way, oh yeah, it is. Kind of jank, but hey, if I have to do a power steering pump, I gotta remember to get it hot. Yeah, the car can start now with oil and coolant. I'm gonna go ahead and get the subframe in, because if it started, the car is hanging on. It would just like, I don't know, I don't even know what that would do. Would not be good. Once the subframe's in though, then it's literally, these are all the parts left. Control arms and some coolant. Yeah, man, it's coming together. Next little segment of this video will be probably when the subframe's in and rack and pinions in, and yeah, boy, we're getting there. All right, bro, hit it. You gotta take it out of gear. Smoking all that crap. Hopefully that's just smoking crap off the exhaust. It did that in the other video I watched. Holy crap, it's running, dude. My radiator's bad. So I'm waiting on a new one, but I figured I could do first start. Give it a tiny rev. What? Yeah. Huh. That was weird. Yeah, now they're spinning. Just a tiny rev. Let me see what it does. Well, no wastegate rattle. I got faith we're gonna go from a dead stop in first. It's their first time, and they're gonna go to second, go around and come back. All right.
Okay, so I can take my foot off the brake.
Yep, put it in first. All right. Okay. You're good. Now you can go that way. You get a little more speed. All right. Foot off the gas. Clutch in second. Very nice.
That's so exciting.
I know, that's awesome. Nice. guys, this has been, I guess it's June 26th now. I've been driving the car for like a month. I just like forgot to finish the YouTube video. But yeah, Deb did new turbos, water pump, thermostat, oil pan, upgraded motor mount, trans mounts, and I also ended up doing later a catch can, the upgraded billet PCV, and walnut blasting. So sorry some of the videos are weird, but yeah, that was basically, it's almost at 200,000 miles now. Running, I bought MHD again, because I didn't get it from the previous owner. It's on stage 2 plus, making 20 pounds of boost according to MHD. Got the Wavetrac in LSD. Man, it drives great. It does awesome donuts. Had no issues since then. Pulls hard. If I shift at redline, the clutch slips a little bit, which I figured would happen with the increase in power, but I'm gonna wait till it really goes out to do a clutch, because I'm just enjoying driving it right now. That's my daily, so I don't want to put it down. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. Yeah, thanks for watching. A lot of work, man, especially two 22-year-olds and my dad when he could. Honestly, probably one of my proudest things I've ever done, honestly. So I appreciate y'all watching. I doubt some of y'all even make it this far, so thank you.